There are no amendments to the motion of thanks to the address by Governor. The question is that the following motion moved by Dr. T. Ramohan Reddy and seconded by Sri Vivek Venkateswamy is before the House. That address be presented to the Governor as follows: that the members Telangana Legislative Assembly at first session are deeply grateful to the Governor for the address which she has been pleased to deliver to the members of 3rd Telangana Legislative Assembly on 15/12/2023. Those who are for the motion, please say aye. Those who are against, please say no. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. The motion carried. Now the House is urgent to the meet again at 11 a.m. on Wednesday, 28th December 2023.